Okay, welcome back to the tutorials if you've been following along recently. So last time I was talking about caustics. So this time, I'm going to be talking about emissions. So last time we were talking about caustics, we were talking about reflections and making everything metallic and looking at the light refractions and stuff like that. So this time we're going to be doing emissions with an object. So an emission within an object is basically making an object, theoretically a light bulb. So if you need an object and you need that object to glow, um, we're going to be looking at that today. I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So we have two types of lighting mostly in Blender, which is the emissions, or you've got regular light. So there are a few other options that you can choose from. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic object light up a different colour, and then I'm going to be looking at text and how to make text a different colour. So we'll start off with the basic objects first. If you're following along, please switch to cycles. These tutorials are all cycles. So we will start with the materials section, and we're going to go to emission. Change the subjects to an emission, and boom, it's an emission. But I don't like showing it you like that, so we're going to just undo that. So this is a basic square object. There's nothing special about it. I'm just going to remove the light right here from the scene, and we notice that it goes dark. Okay, so we click the object. We're going to go to emission, down in the surface drop down, and boom, we have a cube that lights up. The best thing about this is you can make this cube brighter, you can make this cube darker, so you can have the cube that's like this. My computer's just slowly filling in the information right now. So to change the colour of this cube, we just go to the colour wheel. We can have it a ruby red. Now, let me mention something right here. So the stronger the strength of the emission, the whiter the object is, if that makes any sense. So the less stronger the emission, the more colour there will be on the object in particular. So if I just lower the colour here, lower the emission even, now we have a nice kind of royal kind of red with a red emission. But if I turn it all the way up, it will turn white, and then you'll just get the red emission. So talking about text and emission, if you're doing anything neon,